end is not yet. With this song, we have now added a new and revolutionary increase in discussion to supplement the growing power of our armed forces. In a such form, these bombs are now in production, and even more powerful bombs are in development. It is
What's this? I got it!